Okay, everyone. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to open an investment account with SwissQuote. So just type in Google, open account with SwissQuote. And then, yeah, you immediately see it. It's open account banking, trading, and investing. You click in, and then here you can see open your SwissQuote account. Okay. Yeah, here open your account. Yeah, it's very straightforward. It directs you to this information page directly. So basically here you can see three parts, just three parts. I mean, I opened quite a few investment accounts just to show my students how easy it can be actually compared with others. I would say SwissQuote is actually relatively easier even. So here you can see three columns: create your account, personal information, and identity verification. So here, you can see who are you, put the name, be sure to put your, I mean, at very beginning I put Charlene, but actually my Chinese name is the official name that I use throughout my my passport and ID card. So make sure it is the name that is on your passport and ID card. Where are you from? And which is your phone number and email address. And here you can see they will ask you what is the estimated initial deposit. So you can just select a range here. So basically, I assume the reason why they ask you is also, for example, if you put 1 million or over a million, they will probably have a designated banker or account manager to contact you to give you a bit more personalized experience. That is how I assume. So yeah, so let me just randomly put a number here, right? It's not my real number. Email address, and then next step, they will ask you to put a password and confirm your password. Again, it's very straightforward, right? Yeah. Next step. Yeah, they will send you a verification email. So be sure it is your real email instead of this. And actually, then you can click on to the next page. They have they ask you about your some more personal details, your nationality, your date of birth, your legal address, and yeah, postcode, cities. Yeah, everything is so straightforward. I don't need my explanation, right? So here you have a taxpayer identification number, so it's called TIN number. So here it also explains to you the TIN in Switzerland. It is basically your insurance number. It's they call AHV number. And for if you located overseas, you should also find your TIN number here. But you can put it later on because it is not a must. You can see it is resident. You have a little star here, but for TIN, it's not even a must. So you don't need to worry if you don't know what is your TIN at this stage. And then next step, let me just randomly put some information here to make sure we can go to the next step. So it is not my real birthday. Okay, postcode, city. Yeah, next step. So here they will ask you about your employment status. So they want you to make sure you have consistent income also, right? You can fund this account. So just be honest, if you're self-employed or employed or currently a student or retired or unemployed. And do you have any important public functions? Do you work for a government, for example? So here it also explains to you what does it mean by saying public function. And are you the beneficial owner? Yes, right, you own the account. And are you a citizen of the US? So here for US, actually it will be a little bit more complicated especially in terms of tax. So for me, I am not, so just be honest here as well. And there is a referral code and promotion code. So actually I do have I do have a referral code. So I do have affiliate program with SwissQuote. Just wanted to be extremely transparent to you. So if you put a referral code, actually my referral code is WCW606. It means if you put this number here, it means I will receive 100 trading credit with SwissQuote, and you will also receive 100 francs as a trading credit. So, trading credit basically means transaction fee reduction. Every transaction you make on the trading platform, you need to pay SwissQuote a fee, right? So you can get 100 francs fee back by putting this referral code, just to let you know. I mean, why not, right? It's like a win-win situation for both you and me, basically. Yep. Okay, and next step. Oh, yeah, I need to declare all the information is accurate, but it's just part of the process, right? Next step. Yeah, so it comes to almost an end of the account opening progress, and first you need to verify your identity. If you click in, they will ask you to take a picture of your document, like your ID card or your passport, or they may ask you to also take a selfie as well. So I don't do this because it's quite a bit of privacy. It's private stuff. And here they will ask you to read. They already prepared you a contract. They ask you to read, sign, and download it so you can save it somewhere safely. And here they will ask you to also to send a picture of your utility or a phone bill to make sure the residence address you put is correct. And then after you finish all the 3 steps that are mentioned here, you can just fund your account by putting in, like, let's say just like 500 or even 100. It doesn't really matter. You can already get started. And then once you do all these, it's the account opening process is over. So very, very straightforward. So let me know if you have any further questions when you do the process. SwissQuote is just one of the few, so many options. One of the so many options. There are a lot of other good platforms there as well. So I just use SwissQuote as an example to show you how easy it is to open an account with them. You don't need to go to any physical bank branch or store. You can just do everything online. It is really straightforward and easy. Okay,